Run to failure as a maintenance strategy. In the maintenance and reliability world, we spend much of our time thinking and planning out ways to better maintain or redesign some equipment to make it last longer or be more reliable. However, there are situations where a reliable solution or maintenance plan is not cost-effective, and the recommendation is to run to failure. For mission-critical equipment that is evaluated as a run-to-failure candidate, you need to have a plan. The plan should include everything that is required to make the failure event as painless as possible, including identification of the skills, tools, materials, emergency procedures, etc. In my maintenance organization, we do a great job of doing preventive and predictive maintenance, and we have a great reliability-centered maintenance program which has improved reliability. Now we just need to prepare and train a pit crew to handle our critical run-to failures.